Oh, another beautiful Saturday. So we went out this morning. Angela needs some time in the garden. Just lots of abundance coming in right now, and it's absolutely just amazing to see all the fruits of our labor this year just starting to come in by the droves every day. And it's so much fun harvesting with the kids and just watching them eat the food. This morning Grayson was just going to town on Angela's pickles. He just loved it. More pickles, and it's so cool just to just see all the wonderful things we have going on. So, as of right now, Angela, I mean, we needed this, but we need a stanchion. And I've been looking online to some ideas, even looking for YouTube videos out there, and I won't lie, there wasn't a whole lot about building stanchions, and it may be something simple, but you know, you can even buy them. I saw one you could buy for $100. Today, I'm going to go ahead and build a goat stanchion off of stuff we have. It cost me nothing. We're just going to run with it, see how it goes. But first, we need to go out and make sure we get the right measurements. Let's go. Coming? What are you bringing that thing out here for? Music? Off? Ooh. Oh, I tell you what, I trust that thing so much. What's up, girls? Why are you on me? No corn husks today? What you guys did in here already? You in here? Here's the measurements for goats, okay? You know what? You should be the one to do it. Now make sure we have a nice snug one for Miss Escape Artist here. In all honesty, 3 feet would be just fine. That is 4 feet, but that's way long. Only 4 foot. You know, doubt any of them are pregnant. They're definitely doing well fed, happy goats, which is what I like. They ain't yapping at me, or whatever they call it. Bleating, yapping, what is it? I don't even know. Kevin? Let's go build a goat stanchion. What do you think? You think it's gonna work? Mm-hmm. I mean, do you think they'll like it? I could build this in a workshop, but I like getting vitamin D in and being light. It's so much more happy.
It's cool!
Whoa! No cut needed. 24 inches on the money.
That's good stuff. How tall
This
can it
one's
be?
not 24 inches on the money though.
Rather on the money, not really.
Oh, that's good.
so we left the lip here. And that lip is pretty much the boards, little deck boards we're gonna put on top. We're gonna put a little piece of trim that I had cut on the inside, and that deck will sit nice and flush with a nice flush little setting here.
I'm not saying because of me, I'm saying it's actually.
That's actually the part that's going to be the probably more complex one.
It's so beautiful. Not beautiful. Get her in there. Yeah.
Who says that vegetarian has to be gross? Let me tell you. It doesn't sound all tough and stuff. Of course, meat, you know, we think tough, we think meat. Let me tell you, the side benefits, not side effects, but side benefits of good health can it be? Let it run for a while.
He crammed all of them in his mouth at once. Is it good?
So we want a board. How high do we want this board to go for the goats? We gotta actually look at their height, their head. I didn't think about that. I gotta see how tall they are, their heads. They stand up, they're gonna eat. Actually, I need to look at that. I need to go out and look at the height of their head. Crap. Opal. Opal. We'll do 12 inches. I wanted to make it tall enough for really accustomed to what I want, you know. Look at that. Now you get up there. Goober. She loves me. She really does. If I come over there, will you love on me, Lil? Let's see if she will. Think 12 inches is good, honey? Yep, I think 12 inches is good. Yeah? I love you too. Hey, seriously, calm down. So we have a couple people that Angela has been on the phone with to bring some extra chickens in, and sounds exciting. So we're gonna bring some extra chickens into the flock and see how it goes.
I'm going to eat corn.
Okay, go to sleep, and when you wake up, we'll have more chickens.
So what we're gonna do is take some of these boards, cut them down to, man, maybe 4 inches. I think 4 inches ought to be good, truthfully. Yeah, 4 inches, something sturdy and good. Yeah, 4 inches would be perfect. So we'll cut this down to 4 inches. We'll put this thing 12 inches tall plus the height of this right here. I like to get that extra just sturdiness. So we're gonna have it, zip it into here, and we'll put another board right here to kind of keep that sturdy as well. So we'll put this board, you know, cut this into 4 inches, 12 inches above the grade, or above this right here. So we'll go about yay high. That's what we saw on, you know, Mrs. Opal. That's pretty good there. And that way, at that point, we can put the board across and have the the oval start up, and I'm not going to go too wide because really, I mean, I saw their neck, their head. We'll probably try to do a 4-inch cave in like that, make that work. First thing I did, I wanted to took some edges off. I wanted to take it down so it could thin it out so it could actually slide between the two boards. It's the same thickness as the other. So I just cut that, really took the blade, kept this table saw here, kept that real tight to the table saw, and just ran that thing right in there nice and smooth. That way now I'll take the sander and I'll smooth that out with the sander, and then I'll go ahead and make the notch that I want. Boom. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to take this bad boy right here, slide it in. This will be this one. This will be our mover. We'll put the other one straight on there, and we'll have a little bit bent. So I did this. Angela and I went out there, walked out there, looked at the birds, and we did not like doing that double gap, so we make it even. Unfortunately, it's going to look a little weird. It just bothered me until I decided to do it differently. But for the sake of for now, getting it done, we're going to go ahead and do one more, do a small light ledge on it. I'll show you exactly what I did there and how I smoothed that out, and we'll see if we get a test run. I'm just going to talk to Angela and do a test run real quick. It's getting dark, but it didn't take me very long. Watch this. Just a smudge of love.
That's your old flip-flop, Dad.
Yeah. That'll work.
Right, these were a flip-flop, Dad.
Okay.
Look.
What is this thing? Grayson, move. She might kick you.
Watch out, you might kick.
There than her.
I mean, we can adjust it if we need to. We can definitely adjust it and make it smooth. Oh!
She had to like straddle her down when she did it before.
Oh, that's cute! Peter, what are you doing? That probably hurt.
You ready to go to bed? Come on, Grace, we're gonna take go to bed.
I'm gonna walk him out.
You gonna come back and help, dude? Girls are going back. Putting the goats to bed. Well, that wraps up our day. Definitely had a good day. Really learned a lot. Had fun building that stanchion. I was a little nervous at the beginning, trying to put it all together, trying to make it nice, and it turned out great. Mom was happy. That's what matters most. So, looks like the goats are going to be doing well with it. We'll have to work on getting opal adjusted, but it'll be perfect by the time that we have little goat babies. So we're excited about the new birds. To those watching that sold us or gave us the birds, actually, we thank you for that. We are glad we were able to be there, to really be there as a lifeline, to be able to give your birds a new home, and we are excited about them. They're beautiful birds. They're definitely well taken care of, and we're excited about watching them grow on the farm here, and we're hoping as well that you'll also get to enjoy that journey with us. Thank you again. Please make someone smile today. Be blessed, and we'll see you right back here on the next adventure.